QAC PC Quick Assembly Connector Preparation. Take the cable into the screw boot. Insert the drop cable into the cable sheath stripper. The end of cable should meet the mark. Press the handles and draw out the cable. Fix the drop cable in the gate 1. Put mirror stripper firmly next to the gate 1. Strip the coating. Bend the fiber in all directions to ensure no damage. Clean the fiber by alcohol. Press it into the gate 2. Confirm the fiber just in the groove of the gate 2. Put the gate 2 on clever, cut off the fiber. Check the fiber at a right angle to clever. Cut off the fiber. Put the fiber in the groove of the QAC body. Insert the fiber carefully until the fiber meets the end, and the fiber bending occurs. Push the connector holder forward. Fix the fiber. Pulling out the fiber slowly to make light bending. Push the boot forward and screw it. Install the housing. Finish the job.